growing vegetables in storage containers, such as old fruit storage containers, is a great way to utilize space and repurpose materials. Here are some steps and tips for successfully growing vegetables in these containers. 1. Select the right container. Make sure the containers are clean and free from any residues of fruits or chemicals. You can use various types of containers, including plastic bins, wooden crates, or even repurposed pots and buckets. Just ensure they are deep enough to accommodate the root systems of the vegetables you want to grow. 2. Drainage. These containers have a lot of holes. While drainage is essential for healthy plants, too many holes might cause the soil to dry out too quickly. We are going to cover some of the holes with a plastic sheet, leaving a few open for drainage. You can use small pieces of mesh or landscaping fabric to prevent soil from escaping while allowing water to drain. 3. Soil. Use high-quality potting mix or garden soil that's well-draining and rich in organic matter. Ensure the soil is suitable for the specific vegetables you intend to grow, as different plants have different soil requirements. 4. Sunlight. Most vegetables require at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Place your containers in a sunny location, such as a balcony, patio, or garden. If you're growing indoors, consider providing supplemental lighting with grow lights. 5. Plant selection. Choose vegetables that are well suited for container gardening. Some good options include tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, herbs, radishes, and carrots. Avoid plants that grow too large for your container. 6. Watering. Containers tend to dry out more quickly than garden beds, so monitor the moisture level regularly. Water your vegetables when the top inch of soil feels dry. Use a saucer under the container to catch excess water. But make sure the container doesn't sit in standing water to prevent root rot. 7. Fertilization. Vegetables grown in containers may need more frequent feeding because nutrients can be quickly depleted. Use a balanced water-soluble fertilizer according to the package instructions, or consider using slow-release fertilizer granules mixed into the soil at planting time. Eight. Pruning and support. Depending on the vegetables you're growing, you may need to prune and provide support. For instance, tomatoes often benefit from stakes or cages to support their growth. 9. Pest and disease control. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, as container plants can be more susceptible due to their confined space. Use organic pest control methods when possible and address issues promptly. 10. Harvesting. Harvest your vegetables when they reach maturity to encourage continued production. Different vegetables have different harvest times, so be sure to research the specific needs of each plant. As we wrap up another gardening adventure, we want to express our gratitude for being a part of our gardening community. Your support means the world to us. If you want more Green Thumb inspiration, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell. Also, share your gardening stories and questions in the comments below. We love connecting with fellow gardeners.